Check out the ball pit. Drinks are high and they're floaty. Whakalofo lahi atu, ko ingo haku ko koni lilo pa ye. Today we're at Laughalots, Porirua. Let's go! These are some of the rules that you need to follow. You're not allowed shoes in the play area. Today we're going to learn some new words at Laughalots. Our first word is toli toli, climbing. Would lead to the shark. Shark likes to eat kids. Hello! Toli toli, climbing. We're gonna go down the big giant slide now. I went slow. Aye, Captain. Aye. Next stop is Nyaka, swinging. Nyaka, swinging. Check out this whale. It can rock. Hoppo hoppo means jumping. Hoppo hoppo jumping. Hoppo jumping. If you're hungry, you can also order some hot food. So salty. No, it's so picklish. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them four? This is like a ball pit of rainbows. It's really hard to get on. Another word is poiriua. That means running around. Poiriua, that means running around. Fia inu au means I'm thirsty. So if you're thirsty, you can ask someone and say, Fia inu au. That means I'm thirsty. Tolisi throwing. Vilo vilo means spinning. Look at this. Upstairs. And if you want to go lower, you can go. Mahalo! That was our Vagahau Niue lesson for today. I hope you learned something new. Make sure to come and check out Laughalots in Porirua. Fakaue lahi, kia.